Hi everyone, it's Yasemin Islek here and I've teamed up with Thin Lizzy for a $300 giveaway. So I've decided that there will be two winners in the competition. One who will take home 3 of these kits and the other to take home 2 of these kits. So amazing, because each kit has 4 things. So basically there's the lip liner, the lipstick, the highlighter and the lip glaze. Each kit is worth $60. Don't forget to follow me, follow Thin Lizzy, like the post and comment all of your friends in the post as well. The more people you tag in the post, the more of your chance to win. This is a worldwide competition, so anyone can win. Hey everyone, and thanks for joining me because I'm doing a review on all these amazing lip kits. Oh, I'm so excited. Where do I even begin? I'm so obsessed with lip colors that are nude and plum and champagne colored. Oh, they're just so gorgeous. So today I'll be using My Obsession by Thin Lizzy. It's the ultimate POUT volumizing lip kit. How amazing does that look? Wow, this is packaging. Gorgeous. So here you have the lipstick, the lip gloss, the highlighter, and the lip pencil. First, I'll be going in with the Thin Lizzy My Obsession. And this is the lip liner. I love it because it's so creamy and look at that. Love the color and it really suits my makeup as well. Next, I will be going in with a bit of a highlighter for the lips. I'll just add that on top of the Cupid's bow. And just on the bottom as well, to give it a bit more dimension. Next, I'll be using the lipstick, which is an amazing, gorgeous color. Look at that. Again, so creamy in texture. Love it. And now to finish it off, I'll be using the lip gloss. It's like a shimmery color, which looks nice. Amazing. I love this kit. It is so gorgeous. Check that out. Next, I'll be using the DOLCE VITA. Nice. Again, the box is so amazing and beautiful. Love the gold writing. I really love the white and gold and how it's in a nice little kit. It looks really nice. So on each lip liner you have this little applicator. You can use this to color it in a little bit, or you can even use it to clean up the lip liner. So I'm going in with La Dolce Vita lip liner. Again, wonderful and creamy. I love it. Next, the highlighter. The lipstick, and look how beautiful and rich that color is. Gorgeous color. Again, very creamy. And going in with the lip gloss for this kit. Love it. Gorgeous colors. Next I'll be going in with the Cosmopolitan lip kit from Thin Lizzy. So this is what the lip liner looks like. And the highlighter. Now going in with the lipstick from this kit. Gorgeous colour again. Lip gloss. Love, love, love it. They're all so similar as well, so it's so hard to choose which one because they're all so amazing. I love all the colors. They're all a hit. Next I'll be going in with Minx. Check it out. So first I will start off with the lip liner. This is a really nice light colour. I like that. It's really pretty. And then I'll add my highlighter. The lipstick. And the lip gloss. Plump them right up. Love it. So the last one I'll be trialing is the Bombshell. So first I'll be going in with the Bombshell lip liner. Love it. And now I'll be going in with the highlighter. And next I'll be going in with the lipstick. Check out that beautiful color. And last but not least, the lip gloss. Amazing. In love. I love it. I honestly really love all of the colors. I can't decide which one is my favorite. Honestly, it's such a hard choice. I rate these lip kits a 10 out of 10 purely because they're just so nice and creamy on the lips. They're very soft in texture. They really make the lips look bigger, so it gives it the illusion that they are larger. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out Beauty by a Model for more information on beauty and fashion and everything that has to do with modeling. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Bye.